Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machines for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just getting started with embroidery or looking to level up your DIY projects, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Uton Sewing Machine Computerized Embroidery Sewing Machine with 60 unique built-in stitches. This affordable option is ideal for beginners who want a mix of basic sewing and light embroidery capabilities. With 60 built-in stitches, including both functional and decorative designs, this machine is perfect for small projects, hemming, and even some creative accents. The design of the Uton is compact and portable, weighing just over 12 pounds. The large LCD screen is easy to navigate, allowing you to select stitches and view settings effortlessly. The machine also features handy controls like a start-stop button, reverse stitching, and a memorized needle up-down function. It even includes a foot pedal for beginners who prefer more control over speed. However, keep in mind that this is primarily a sewing machine with basic embroidery functionalities, rather than a dedicated embroidery machine. The value proposition here is fantastic for hobbyists and beginners, but if you're looking for advanced embroidery features, you might want to consider other options on this list. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, the embroidery capabilities are limited, and the built-in designs may not satisfy someone looking for complex projects. Overall, it's a great starter machine for sewing enthusiasts dipping their toes into embroidery. At number 4, we have the Poolin EOC06 embroidery machine, which packs an impressive array of features tailored for beginners. With an embroidery area of up to 4 by 9.25 inches, it offers more flexibility compared to smaller hoop sizes, making it suitable for a variety of projects like cuffs, collars, and handkerchiefs. The 7-inch touchscreen is a standout feature, offering a smartphone-like experience for clear pattern viewing and easy navigation. One of the highlights of the Poolin EOC06 is its 3-step smart operating system, which simplifies the embroidery process into 3 intuitive pages: pattern, configure, and embroider. With 130-plus built-in designs and 8 fonts, this machine is a great introduction to creating personalized projects. It also supports Wi-Fi and USB file transfers, allowing you to experiment with custom designs as you grow more confident in your skills. Plus, the included starter kit ensures you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. While the Poolin EOC06 is packed with features, its price and availability may be a consideration for some. Pros include its user-friendly interface, dual embroidery sizes, and Wi-Fi capability. On the downside, assembly may take a little time for complete beginners, and the price is not always consistent. Nevertheless, it's an excellent choice for those looking to explore embroidery with a robust yet beginner-friendly machine. Coming in at number 3 is the Poolin EOC06 embroidery machine, which boasts a generous 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery field, perfect for larger projects like sweatshirts, table runners, and bedding. This machine is a dream for beginners who want to tackle both small and large designs. It comes equipped with a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen that makes pattern selection and editing as intuitive as using a smartphone. One of the strongest selling points of the Poolin EOC06 is its comprehensive starter kit, which includes hoops, pre-wound bobbins, stabilizers, and even needles. With 156 built-in patterns and 8 fonts, you'll have plenty of creative freedom right out of the box. The computerized system allows for easy operation, including automatic needle threading, thread trimming, and bobbin winding. Additionally, the machine supports USB file transfers, so you can import custom designs in DST or DSB format. The EOC06 is a powerhouse, but it's worth noting that it leans towards the higher end of the price range. Pros include its large hoop size, user-friendly interface, and robust starter kit. On the downside, the larger size and weight may not be ideal for those seeking portability. That said, this is an excellent choice for beginners ready to dive into serious embroidery projects. At number 2, we have the Brother PE 545 embroidery machine, a fantastic embroidery-only machine that's perfect if you don't need sewing capabilities. With a 4x4-inch embroidery field, it's an excellent choice for smaller projects like monograms, kids' designs, and holiday-themed decorations. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen is intuitive and allows you to preview and edit your designs with ease. What sets the PE545 apart is its wireless LAN capability. Using Brothers Design database transfer software, you can send embroidery files directly from your PC to the machine, eliminating the hassle of USB transfers. Additionally, the Artspira mobile app allows you to draw custom designs on your device and send them straight to the machine. With 135 built-in designs and 10 fonts, this machine is versatile enough for a wide range of projects. Pros include its wireless file transfer, easy-to-use interface, and embroidery-focused design. On the downside, it doesn't double as a sewing machine, so it's best suited for those specifically interested in embroidery. If you're looking for a high-quality, embroidery-only option, the Brother PE545 is a top contender. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine. This versatile 2-in-1 machine combines sewing and embroidery, making it the ultimate choice for beginners who want the best of both worlds. With a 4x4-inch embroidery field, 135 built-in designs, and 103 sewing stitches, you'll have endless possibilities for creative projects. The SE700's 3.7-inch color touchscreen allows for easy on-screen editing and design previews. Like the PE545, it features wireless LAN connectivity, enabling you to transfer files directly from your PC or mobile device via the Artspira app. The automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin, and 10 one-step buttonhole styles make sewing and embroidery seamless, even for first-time users. What makes the SE700 stand out is its sheer versatility. Whether you're hemming a garment or creating intricate embroidery patterns, this machine has you covered. Pros include its multifunctionality, user-friendly features, and wireless connectivity. On the downside, the embroidery field is limited to 4x4 inches, which might not be sufficient for larger designs. Nevertheless, it's an exceptional investment for beginners looking to explore both sewing and embroidery in one machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy stitching, and see you in the next one.